that I made. It's like a Jack-in-the-Box prank box. It also does 3 things total for the joke. Do not press this button. He comes flying out of here and scares the crap out of you. What gets an erection when I see you? Insert 10 cents for the answer. You stick a dime in here, the middle finger comes flying out, and the answer is my middle finger. It says, open the door so I can ear you. They're like, what the heck does that mean? And when you open the door, this snap cap mechanism pops in your face. You see I got the little pin thing holding it. It's so when you shut the door right here, you turn this knob like that, and now the thing is, the trigger's ready. I'm only telling you that if you guys want to try to build one of these. A lot of springs and magnets. This is a little magnet here. When you want to cock it back, that shuts in place right there. All it is really is springs and levers and stuff like that inside of there. I wish I would have took a video of how I made it inside, but a lot of people aren't that crafty to try to figure this out anyways. But if you are, that's why I'm showing you this part. So little hole in here with a metal circle in there. So when you want to shut this little lever right here with like a spike on it catches that. I got one hand. Let me try to show you how that shuts real quick. Let me see if I can do that. Okay, there it goes. So that locks on there right there. The 10 cents thing, there's a little center metal piece right here. When you push a dime in there, that's when this thing, it's all one piece right here with the middle finger. Pushing that, and that pops out like that. You guys already saw that. And over here, when you push this button, all it's really doing is pushing this little lever away, and it has a bolt in the center. There's a spring pulling it this way that's spiked into there. So when you push on the button, it's actually pushing the lever that way, causing this to pop out and scare the crap out of somebody. So let's see. I'm gonna show you guys how this thing works, and hopefully you guys like it. Give me a thumbs up. That's all I ask. I'm just showing off this little box I made out of scrap, garbage, whatever, anything I could find around. So the whole thing is completely just scrap. It's a prank box, and over here it says, do not push this red button. What gets an erection when I see you? Insert 10 cents for the answer. You put 10 cents in here, and the answer comes out. Open the door so I can ear you. That's what that says, and when you open the door, you get a surprise. So let's see what happens. We're gonna use it for the first time here, and wait for somebody to come in here.
Oh man, hey Brandon.
How's it going? How you doing? What can I get you?
I need a pack of Marble Lights and some of that 1800 silver.
Okay.
What's this?
A little box I made. You want to check it out? You'll be the first one to do it.
I don't know if I should.
All right.
What gets an erection when I see you? Insert 10 cents. Okay. My middle finger.
Yeah. What gets an erection when I see it? A middle finger popped out.
Do not press this button. No.
That's pretty cool, isn't it?
That's really cool. Open the door so I can ear you. Oh, hell, that's scary.
That's it. That's what the box does. 3 different things. And so you got a button to push this guy out. 10 cents in there. Pops out the middle finger. And you open this door right here. And there's a cap mechanism in there that when you open it pops. So pretty cool. If you guys can make one of these and get inspired, go ahead and try that. And let me know how it works out. Leave a comment if you liked it. And if you want one of these, send a $5 bill to 1671 Lansing Road, Charlotte, Michigan. Just kidding. Go make your own. Right? Thanks for watching.